Yeah, man, we're back again on another series of the truths of faith and life, man. Doing again uh, on a previous series, what is God or the Creator? What is the Creator? Yes, I found that the Creator is the Spirit. The Spirit which was the Word in the beginning of time, with the Word also in the beginning of time. The Word which was Amen in the beginning of time. Amen, whom is considered by the followers of the man Jesus as the Christ within the man. So they follow him as the Christ. There's nothing wrong with that if they found that thing for them. There's nothing wrong also of being Jesus himself. But we don't know the image now of the man. Otherwise, as call up now, for this series will be reasoning deeper on now, since we find that the Creator is the Spirit. Where is he? Where is the Creator? We are talking based on the biblical view. I don't want you tomorrow when I come with something else, maybe, which points in a direction that you don't understand. You said, man, this man is contradicting himself. He was saying this yesterday, today. Nah. Okay, sure. Xa siya pha kwabasekorinte verse 2. Kwabasekorinte 2. Chapter 6. Sifumana ihloko pha ku-14 esithi the temple of the living God. You see? Now, we've been seeking this God. Where is this God? People, they say we must go to church, in the church of God, in the house of God, and all that stuff. Come and pray in the house of God. Hey, you will never meet God until you come into the church. Hey, God is here. This is his house. And what? Are these people true in what they are saying? Or there is an agenda which they have, which we are not aware? What is it? What the Bible is saying? The Bible says, where is the king, the temple of God? Because we learn in Unubana, God stays in heaven. We agree, all of us, okay, God is in heaven, yes. But now, there in heaven, sorry guys. Yeah, see, so we know that, okay, God is in heaven, or the Creator is in heaven. There in heaven, he's supposed to have his place where he's staying. Now he stays in a temple according to a common analogy we have been told by our mothers and by the preachers that the temple of God is in heaven. So now here the Bible is telling us where is the temple of the living God. That's why this thing of God, confuse this thing. Let's talk of the Creator, man. Let's put this word God aside. The temple of the Creator, maybe of God is some, but the temple of the Creator, yabo. Sibeka ke ngoku ngokwe understanding behind the writers, and we hope nobana bazalwane they were talking of the Creator when they say God here. Okay. Because ayazi uba ibhaliwe ngabanye abantu, this thing maybe it doesn't even say God, maybe got another word for that thing, but okay, we are going there. We find ke ngoku into nokubana okay, xa siya phaa ku-16 phaa ke ngoku kwesahloko sithi the temple of the living God, kubuzwa what agreement between what agreement has the temple of the Creator with the idols, yabo. So uyabuzwa ke ngoku apha itemple ye-Creator, wherever it is at, what it has to do with idols, images hanged and worshipped, people believed in, what that thing has to do, because the temple of the Creator got no images. Now says now, for We are the temple of the living Creator. Do you see? We are the temple, not somewhere there. You see? We are the temple of the Creator. That one that is there might be very far away from you. You see? We are the temple of the Creator. Don't know about that one is there. Maybe someone have gone there and see. But I'm talking of what is said here. We, our bodies. For we are the temple of the living Creator. As the Creator said, I will make my dwelling among them and walk among them. Believe. Remember, the Creator is the Spirit. He will be walking among us. Others coming from the Muslim tribes, others coming from the whatever religion. There will be those who find and so delight. I know, man, the religion is a club. It gives us emblems that we try to go against others. No, we are not about the religion. Even though we are in religion, we are about the Creator, the truth, which is the Spirit. So we shall move with the brothers of righteousness and spirit. You see? Yeah, man. Now, the Creator said, I will dwell among them, and I will be their God, and they shall be my people. Therefore, go out from their midst and be separated from them, saying the Lord. Okay, now it's based on the previous question which was asked, what is the agreement the temple of God has with an idols? So it's another concept, but this is our main point we're dealing with. You see, the temple of the Creator, it's us. He will dwell among us and move among us. You see? Leave those ones who are telling you, no, with it, bafuna isolate with their evil doctrines. Even Jesus, the Christ whom they say, the man himself, he said, Ndithunyiwe. And there is he who gave life to him, who resurrected him. So, don't get deceived, you see, because of he, Jesus, was one with him. And you think now, within or him, the flesh of Jesus was the great. No, within us, the body, not only of him, all of human beings of creation, within the body, there is the Creator. You see? But each of us, we must find that thing and know, awaken to the knowledge of self. That's why the ancient Egyptians, they always teach people in the mystery school the knowledge of self, to know that within you there is the Creator, which made you the Creator. If you can surrender the flesh to that image, which will animate and walk among mankind as it did in this image of this Jesus man. This is the whole concept which these people they are talking about. So today we know that our bodies is the temple of the Creator. Yeah, see? So today we know from now on that, okay, there is no Creator who is there. The Creator we praise is here. In all essence of creation is the Spirit. Don't get confused. Yeah, see. That is why the Africans, they were connected with nature. And us, by seeking a creation within ourselves and within the cosmos, which is the outer layer from us, we knew that the energies of the Creator were there. We call these things Neteru. Now, which they come in Europe, they call it now the African angels. You see, or gods. You see, these are not gods. These are those aspects they were talking about, the unseen, the invisible, which we can see a glimpse of it. Give thanks for everything that is good, for everything that we see, for everything that we have, for everything that we still pray to have. Most of all, give thanks to the Creator for knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, for everything that we live for righteousness, for the unity of our life. Give thanks.